previous DAM solution was almost non-existent. People couldn't find what they needed. The interface was painfully slow. It was hard to, so if you did find what you need, it was hard to get it. It's hard to send it to people. It was hard to download it yourself. People were working on it, right? It wasn't for lack of effort. The tool just wasn't a good fit for the team. I've spent a lot of my time not only creating images, but managing digital asset management libraries. I can make a nice picture, and I know how to deliver the final product in a way that makes the images useful for everybody. So my game day starts pretty early. I'll be getting here about 7 or so before the players start walking through the tunnel. Game action, fans, our mascots, our cheerleaders, our partners. Between me and all of our freelancers on game day, we can easily produce over 10,000 pictures in a game, and that usually gets whittled down to 1,500, 2,000 keepers. After the game's over, everybody is looking at every single picture they took, giving everything a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and those winners go to me. Then I start sorting and applying metadata. If there's a touchdown catch from a certain player on Sunday, by the end of the day on Monday, that touchdown catch picture will pop up, so about 24 hours after the game. Once you start playing bigger games, more and more outside eyeballs are on the product. We share assets with outside media, other NFL teams. Having our entire PR department on Widen allows them to field a lot of those asks, and some of those really easy ones, they'll handle themselves. And if it's a more detailed, nuanced ask for a very specific type of image that tells a specific story, those are probably the ones that make it to me. If you see one of these pictures that we've made on web or social, it's because our social media department has gone onto Widen, found what they needed to use, and downloaded it. Coaches love to use these pictures in their PowerPoint. They had some thoughts about imagery that they wanted to put up in the weight room for next season. Honestly, within like a minute, we had a collection of images that they felt good about that they were able to use. Players, they love to use the pictures on their social media accounts. Widen lets us deliver those pictures to them pretty quickly and easily also. People don't always know exactly what they're looking for, right? They know what kind of story they want to tell. They know what they want the images to accomplish. Having this good tool empowers me to use the knowledge that I already have about our library to help them accomplish their goals with imagery. I think the detailed metadata is probably the biggest asset to building and maintaining the brand. We try to consistently use blue jerseys. Our designers and our marketing people, their ability to quickly filter out everything that's not a blue jersey picture, for instance, just helps build that consistency. It allows our stakeholders to quickly and easily adhere to internal brand standards. And I think that's something that anybody can relate to, no matter what kind of company they work for. I've gotten a lot of really good positive feedback. I think if there was some way I could chart year to year emails received versus images downloaded, the line graph has to be going like this. You can just see it happening. You can see the total number of download, just going up. People are downloading things immediately. They know where it's at. They're used to the system, and adoption was quick and easy. It took no time at all. As Widen has made it easier for people to find and leverage imagery, the more it has just become a increasingly more important part of how they do their job. Honestly, the relationships with the people that work for Widen have been some of my favorite. It's like, man, these people are really cool and really smart, and they're helping me solve my damn problems. That's for real. I honestly feel that way. You guys are so fun. It's nice. It's not like, oh, now we're gonna talk about damn now. It's always like, yeah, let's chop it up.